Ready, sir. Ready, sir.
Ready now?
Yes, sir.
Good evening to all of you, all my media friends.
Sir, 1 second.
Namaskar, good evening to all media friends. This is Narasimhan, XMP and President for Indian Solar Association. I am very happy to meet all of you today in Hyderabad in this conference. It is a special item of conference encouraging and motivating all the people, those who involved in the solar sector, renewable energy sector. All you know very well, our Honorable Prime Minister target is to reach 500 gigawatt by 2030. This is a milestone and step forward to reach the target. So everywhere our EQ, International people, these people are arranging a solar conference every state and every place. So they are collecting all the forces in the country, in the states, to encourage the solar sector. So today is a milestone and happy to see that Hyderabad has witnessed a good gathering. This gathering is from Hyderabad and as well as Andhra Pradesh and as well as Telangana. Hope recently the new policy is coming out for Telangana, draft policy is already there. They are going to discuss how to move further about solar achievements. So this part you know very well. Honorable Prime Minister announced 1 crore middle class families to be accessed with solar. That is with a subsidy of 30,000 rupees per kilowatt. Every house will get minimum 3 to 5 kilowatt solar power on rooftop. With a great in the history of the solar world in the country and as well in the world. First time this kind of scheme has come. Beyond that, Honorable Prime Minister announced already Kusum scheme for the farmers. What is the basic idea is to everybody should access the power at very cost effective and affordable price. If you go to discounts, any kind of customer they have to pay about 7 rupees to 9 rupees. If they do the rooftop solar, they will be getting at 3 rupees at their home. This is the fundamental phenomena of this scheme began. So all country is moving fast and as well as the technology, and by another 5 years we will be bypassing China. Today we are number 3 in the world for the solar and renewable energy. Next 5 years we will be reaching as number 1. So that's why India is setting Indian International Solar Alliance also. This is all just for information. If there is anything, you can interact with me, you can talk to me in any language. Okay. My only request is the first time EK Solar Company is meeting the media people after Kerala. So I would like to carry out this message properly in all the local magazines and newspapers and in the TV channels. Thank you very much.
My name is Shivam Jack, Senior Marketing Manager from Gotham Solar Private Limited. Gotham Solar is one of the India's leading solar module manufacturing companies, supplying high efficiency solar panels like bifacial panel, Pokemon panel, We are total manufacturing capacity. Currently we have 1 gigawatt manufacturing capacity. Now we are expanding to 5 gigawatt manufacturing with our new plant in Haryana, Bhiwani, which we will achieve in 2025. We also hold multiple patents, like first patent is in only frame design, second we have a machinery tool that increase the speed of the manufacturing the panel, third is the innovative pallet frame design, fourth is the AI assisted. I thanks to you that give the opportunity us to showcase our product. Thank you so much.
We are basically in residential solar rooftop sector. We are leading the rooftop installation in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Recently we have come up with a very innovative experience center. We have set up 3 experience centers in Telangana and AP. To begin with, we set up the first one in Karimnagar, then and Vizag, and the third one has recently been inaugurated on 21st of November in Vijayawada. And we have plans to come up with 6 more centers in the coming months. So far as the rooftop residential penetration is concerned, it is far from the target which is been set up by the Prime Minister. Out of 1 crore houses which are supposed to be solarized in the Prime Minister's Surya Ghar Yojana, only 6 lakhs have been solarized as yet. So it is a long way to go. It will be our earnest requests to the DISCOMs across all the states to simplify their net metering processes and make it easier for the customer as well as for the installing companies to set up and achieve these targets. Thank you very much.
I'm a CEO and the director of ASD Solar Energy, which is India's leading EPC company and fastest growing. We have an offices across India, 18 offices. Hyderabad is our Songam capital. We have a Shakpatam also, we have an Indian office. We do solar projects exclusively for corporates, small, medium and large corporates, and we also do innovative projects. We build a facade like glass, build a facade for solar projects. There are a lot of projects in India, solar projects we have been done. For that, we got a very good achievements from IQ. 2019 onwards, we are successfully bagging awards from AQ International. Today we have been awarded for 5 awards category: industrial, commercial, innovation, design, and business excellence. And we are competing with Singer Ideation in terms of capacity, in terms of partners. Thank you very much for media for giving me an opportunity, and the EQ team also giving me an opportunity to speak about this solar industry. Thank you very much.
They can also do for good. What will happen? Small consumer having low demand of 500 kilowatt or near about 500, they can also go for low. So good thing. Along with this, good initiatives by government also like integral things. Today, one of the days, we got a new last again, we have integral things. And this is 6 more years. Let's see. We have also had a news from China that they have reduced the tax China. They have lost 30% and now they have cut it down to 20%. This will also add some bit of trouble. EPC players and big EPC players. So soon the price will wish always take care of infrastructure when they safeguard domestic manufacturers.
ప్రజలందరూ గ్రీన్ ఎనర్జీని అందరూ స్వాగతించండి. అలాగే గ్రీన్ ఎనర్జీ డెవలప్మెంట్కి అందరూ పాల్గొంచుకోండి. ఇది మన ప్రకృతికి ఎప్పటికీ ఎదుర్కొంటుంది. అలాగే మంచి క్వాలిటీ అన్ని కూడా చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి. మీకు మంచిది సోలార్ వల్ల మనకి నష్టాలు వాళ్ళకి అంటే పవర్ మనకు రేపటి తరాలకి పొల్యూషన్ కాపాడడంలో అలాగే మనం ఎక్కువ రోజులు బతకచ్చు. చెట్లు కూడా పెంచండి. అలాగే